I prefer to make homemade soup when having a cold. It just tastes better, just helps clear you out. So I'm using the egg noodles again. I like to switch it up with the noodles. The last couple times I used the gluten-free spaghetti noodles. On Saturday I did use these egg noodles and I really did like it. And I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, some minced garlic, pink salt, lemon pepper, black pepper, some butter, 64 ounces of chicken stock, and we have the onions and celery and carrots, and I have a little bit of chicken. So I'm just getting ready to put the vegetables in the pan and let it saute. And this is very simple and easy to make. Okay, so we have the celery, onions, and carrots sauteing in some extra virgin olive oil and butter. And I want to take you all step by step because I know some people wanted to see how I make it. I just shared it on here, but it's really quick, simple, and easy. It's great for beginners to making homemade chicken noodle soup. It takes 30 minutes. You know, versus the long way when you do it completely from scratch. You make your own chicken stock, chicken juices, all that kind of stuff. I'm just doing it quick because I just want to have soup immediately. I'm going to let this saute for 10 minutes, put the lid on, and come back in with the next step. Add the minced garlic. So now you just want to mix the minced garlic with the sauteed vegetables and let it cook for additional 1 minute. So I'm adding the chicken stock. I already added the first 32 ounce. Now I'm adding the second 32 ounce. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this boil with the lid on and I'll come back in with the next step. Alright now. Okay guys, so this is how you want your soup to look. A nice brisk boil. Then you just add the chicken. Okay. And now I'm going to add the noodles. It's kind of steamy, sorry about that. And you just want to stir everything around. And don't be weirded out because the chicken stock is going to help the chicken cook really fast along with the noodles. So stir everything around, right? And put the lid back on, turn the heat down, let it simmer until the noodles and chicken are done. And there you have it. Some homemade chicken noodle soup the easy way. So I will come back in and show you all how it's going to look done. So let it cook a little bit longer, simmer down so it can get a little bit thicker. As you guys can see, it's starting to get a little thicker. I took the lid off and just let it sit like this. I want it a little bit more thicker, so about 10 more minutes. And then I will indulge in this delicious, quick and simple, easy chicken noodle soup. It smells so amazing. And I added more lemon pepper, black pepper, and pink salt to taste. So I hope you all enjoyed my snap tonight. And I will see you guys in the next snap. Later.